Enormous forces of darkness drift silently through the universe, shaping galaxies, bending the fabric of reality, and warping the flow of time itself. They exert unimaginable gravity, devouring anything that crosses their invisible threshold. For centuries, these objects existed only as abstract predictions buried within mathematical equations. Their existence seemed impossible, even absurd. Yet today, they stand among the most extraordinary and terrifying phenomena ever discovered. These cosmic enigmas are known as black holes. For most of human history, black holes were theoretical shadows, symbols of unanswered questions and the limits of scientific understanding. They marked the boundaries where known physics began to unravel. But with the arrival of revolutionary observatories such as the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity is now beginning to lift the veil and glimpse the astonishing environments that surround these gravitational abysses. To understand how we reached this moment, we must travel back more than 100 years. In 1915, Albert Einstein introduced his theory of general relativity, forever transforming our perception of gravity. Instead of viewing gravity as a simple pulling force, Einstein revealed it as a distortion of space and time caused by mass and energy. His equations contained a remarkable implication: compress enough mass into a sufficiently small region, and spacetime would curve so violently that nothing, not even light, could escape. At the time, even Einstein doubted that nature could create such extreme objects. Many scientists dismissed the idea altogether. But the universe had other plans. In the late 1960s, astronomers studying intense X-ray emissions from a distant stellar system made a startling discovery. A massive blue star was found orbiting something invisible. Though unseen, this mysterious companion exerted a tremendous gravitational pull, siphoning material from the visible star into a swirling disk that heated to millions of degrees, releasing powerful X-rays. Only one explanation fit the evidence. The unseen object was a black hole. This discovery provided the first convincing proof that black holes were not merely mathematical curiosities, but genuine cosmic entities scattered across the universe. From that moment forward, black hole research accelerated rapidly. Scientists soon realized that black holes exist in multiple forms. Some are born from the catastrophic collapse of massive stars, while others, supermassive black holes, sit at the hearts of galaxies, weighing millions or even billions of times more than our Sun. Today, astronomers estimate that our Milky Way alone may harbor millions of black holes, though most remain undetected. These objects emit no light, revealing themselves only through their influence on surrounding matter and the curvature of spacetime itself. But what truly defines a black hole? At its core, a black hole forms when matter collapses into a region so compact that gravity becomes overwhelming. Current theories predict that all this mass compresses into an infinitesimally small point known as a singularity, a place where density becomes infinite and the known laws of physics fail. Encircling this singularity is the event horizon, a boundary marking the point of no return. Once anything crosses it, escape becomes impossible. Light itself cannot break free. Despite their fearsome reputation, black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners roaming the universe. From a safe distance, their gravitational pull behaves no differently than that of any other object with equal mass. If our Sun were suddenly replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would continue orbiting almost unchanged. The danger lies only in extreme proximity. If a human were to approach a black hole, gravity would stretch their body lengthwise and compress it sideways in a process known as spaghettification. Time itself would appear to slow dramatically, distorting perception until, at the event horizon, physics as we know it dissolves entirely. Beyond that boundary, no information can escape. This makes black holes the ultimate scientific mystery. For decades, they remained invisible to direct observation. That changed in 2019, when scientists unveiled the first ever image of a black hole's shadow. Using a global network of telescopes known as the Event Horizon Telescope, researchers captured the silhouette of the supermassive black hole at the center of galaxy M87, more than 50 million light-years away. The image revealed a brilliant ring of superheated plasma encircling a dark void, the first visual proof of an event horizon. It was a historic breakthrough. Another profound idea suggests that information falling into a black hole is never truly destroyed. Instead, it may be preserved on the surface of the event horizon itself, encoded in unimaginably tiny patterns across its boundary. This revolutionary concept supports a radical interpretation of reality known as the holographic principle, the idea that everything we perceive as three-dimensional may actually be stored on a two-dimensional cosmic surface, much like a hologram projects depth from a flat image. If this principle is true, then black holes are not merely objects in space. They may be windows into the fundamental structure of reality itself, offering clues that the universe operates on hidden layers far beyond human perception. In this view, space, time, and matter may emerge from deeper informational foundations, reshaping how we understand existence. Yet, even more speculative theories push the boundaries of imagination. Some physicists propose that black holes represent fractures in spacetime, regions where the smooth fabric of reality becomes unstable, behaving like corrupted data in a cosmic system. In these models, spacetime may behave similarly to a complex computational structure, and black holes could mark zones where that structure begins to break down. These ideas raise astonishing questions. Is the universe governed by informational rules? Could reality itself be a vast computational process? Other hypotheses suggest that what we interpret as black holes might not be true singularities at all. Instead, they could be exotic alternatives, ultra-dense objects formed from unknown states of matter, quantum pressure, or extra-dimensional effects. These mysterious entities could imitate the gravitational behavior of black holes while avoiding the paradoxes of infinite density and spacetime collapse. If correct, this would revolutionize modern physics and open entirely new pathways toward a unified theory of nature. Despite decades of research, none of these ideas have yet been confirmed. What is clear, however, is that black holes are not merely cosmic destroyers. They serve as powerful engines of cosmic evolution. Supermassive black holes anchor the centers of galaxies, regulating star formation by controlling the flow of gas and energy. Their immense gravity sculpts galactic structures, influences stellar birth rates, and helps shape the vast cosmic web that spans the observable universe. Without black holes, galaxies might never have formed in stable configurations, and the universe we inhabit could look profoundly different, perhaps even incapable of supporting complex life. Today, the James Webb Space Telescope is unlocking unprecedented insight into these enigmatic objects. By peering deeper into space and further back in time than ever before, Webb is revealing how black holes formed in the earliest epochs of the universe, how rapidly they grew, and how they influenced the birth of the first galaxies. These observations challenge existing theories and hint that black holes may have emerged far earlier and evolved far faster than scientists once believed. Each new dataset brings stunning discoveries, yet also deeper mystery. Rather than providing final answers, every breakthrough opens new layers of uncertainty. The closer we look, the more the universe seems to resist simple explanation. Black holes remain the ultimate paradox. They are objects defined by absence, understood through invisible influence, measured by the shadows they cast upon the cosmos. They mark both the boundary of matter and the frontier of human knowledge, the point where physics, philosophy, and imagination converge. As humanity ventures further into space and time, black holes continue to challenge our understanding of reality itself. They force us to question the nature of space, the flow of time, and the ultimate limits of knowledge. Perhaps one day, new theories and revolutionary technologies will allow us to peer beyond the event horizon and uncover what truly lies within. Until that moment arrives, black holes stand as silent sentinels of the unknown, eternal reminders that the universe is far stranger, deeper, and more mysterious than we ever imagined.